Welcome, mindful explorers, to an exciting journey unlike any other. Today, we'll be taking a leisurely stroll through the Museum of Thoughts. A museum filled with all your quirky, strange, and delightful thoughts. So put on your fanciest imaginary walking shoes and join me. But remember, don't touch the exhibits. They're a bit ticklish. Now, let's begin by standing up straight and taking a deep breath in. Fill your lungs with the curiosity of a child entering a candy store for the first time. Hold it and exhale, feeling the excitement building. Take a moment to close your eyes and picture the grand entrance of the Museum of Thoughts. See the shimmering golden doors ahead. Ready? Let's step inside. As you begin to walk, notice the plush red carpet beneath your feet, guiding you towards the first exhibit. What's that? A thought about whether pineapple really belongs on pizza. Fascinating. Move along now, no lingering too long. We have many thoughts to explore. Next, we arrive at a beautiful thought about a past vacation. Ah, the smell of the ocean and the warmth of the sun. Delightful, isn't it? Now, take a left turn into a corridor filled with thoughts of all your favorite songs. Feel free to hum along, but don't get too carried away. Oh, watch out for that stray thought about where you left your keys. It seems to pop up everywhere, doesn't it? Now, let's take a deep breath in, imagining the rich aroma of wisdom emanating from the more profound thoughts. Hold it and exhale. And here, the piece de resistance, the grand hall of imaginative ideas. Marvel at the towering thoughts of invention, creativity, and wonder. Take it all in. As we approach the end of our journey, let's not forget the gift shop. Pick up a souvenir thought if you like. A tiny spark of inspiration or a dash of humor, perhaps. Finally, take one last deep breath in, cherishing this unique experience, and exhale, gently opening your eyes. Thank you for strolling through the Museum of Thoughts with me. Do come again. The exhibits are ever-changing, just like our minds. Until next time, happy thinking.